Guys, this might be the niche you've been looking for. I don't recommend chasing trends that explode today and die tomorrow. These cinematic horror animations are already getting millions of views and staying relevant because horror content is evergreen, meaning it keeps getting views over months and even years. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to create these horror animations for free, step by step, even if you have no experience. Let's get started. The first step is to get a strong idea for your video, because everything starts with the idea. For this, I've made a complete doc file for you. You'll find the prompt link in the description. Open it, copy the first title prompt section, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze your prompt and understand exactly what kind of content it is and how it should work. It knows all your requirements, so all you need to do is type "Generate me titles." ChatGPT will then create the best, unique, and catchy title ideas that stand out. Pick the title that fits your video best. I'll choose this one because it's perfect. Before finalizing your choice, go back to the doc file, copy the script prompt section, and paste it into ChatGPT. In the prompt, you'll see a section for the title. Paste your chosen title there and send it. ChatGPT will now generate a full horror story, a complete story that has never been told before. Save it to your notepad for later use. Now that our script and story are ready, the next step is creating consistent images for the story. You can use any AI tool, but if you check a competitor's channel, like Horror Stories Party, you'll see their videos have amazing, consistent visuals throughout. We want the same for our content to maximize views. Copy the images prompt section from the doc file and paste it into ChatGPT. It will automatically generate all the image prompts for your story. Copy them one by one. Next, let's convert these prompts into images. Open your browser and search for Whisk AI. Click the first result. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Whisk AI's text box. Click the Customize icon and lock the seed to ensure consistent images. Set your ratio, 16:9 for long videos, 9:16 for shorts. Click the arrow to generate your first images. You'll get two options, choose the best one. Download it and review it. These are high-quality images, perfect for your horror story. Repeat this process for all remaining image prompts. Copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, generate, and choose the best image until all images are ready. Now it's time to animate them. Open the doc file again, copy the video prompt section, and paste it into ChatGPT. It will create scene-by-scene animation prompts for each of your images. Copy the first animation prompt, go back to Whisk AI, click the image you want to animate, and select Animate. Paste the animation prompt in the box and generate your animated video. Repeat for all images until every scene is animated. You'll now have professional-looking animations that perfectly match your story. Next, we need a professional voiceover. For a free and high-quality option, we'll use Google AI Studio. Search for it, click the first result, and select Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Then choose Single Speaker Mode. Copy your story script from ChatGPT, choose a voice, I'll choose Puck, paste it into Google AI Studio, and click Run. Within seconds, your professional voiceover will be ready. Finally, let's put everything together in a video editor. I'm using OpenShot, but you can use any software. Import all your animated scenes and the voiceover into the timeline. Add transitions and effects to make the video smooth and engaging. Once everything is synchronized and polished, export your video. And there you go, a full cinematic horror animation story that's ready to get views and stay evergreen for months and years. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.